Welcome to Automatrix. Today, we're diving into something compact, versatile, and ready to turn every journey into an adventure. The 2025 Suzuki Carry Camper van. This little powerhouse combines Suzuki's reliability with the freedom of a camper lifestyle, offering an impressive setup in a small, easy-to-maneuver package. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Suzuki Carry Camper van keeps that iconic, compact look Suzuki's known for. But it's got a fresh, modern facelift. Clean lines and subtle curves add a stylish touch, while practical details like reinforced side panels, compact dimensions, and upgraded headlights ensure that it's ready for both city streets and rugged trails. Inside, Suzuki has completely revamped the layout to make the most of every inch. You get a cozy sleeping area that transforms into a seating arrangement ideal for work, meals, or just relaxing. Storage is incredibly smart, with hidden compartments and fold-away tables to keep everything tucked away, but easily accessible. The kitchen area comes with a mini fridge, a portable stove, and a sink, so you can whip up meals on the go without sacrificing too much space. What's even more exciting about the 2025 model is the inclusion of tech upgrades. It's equipped with a new infotainment system compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The camper has a solar panel setup, so you've got a reliable power source for all your devices even when you're off the grid. And with the added Wi-Fi hotspot, staying connected while exploring remote destinations has never been easier. Powering this camper is a small but efficient engine that's all about getting great fuel economy, so you're not constantly filling up. The suspension is tweaked to handle rougher terrains, and with Suzuki's stability control, you'll have a smooth drive on those twisty, challenging roads. And even with all these additions, Suzuki's managed to keep the Carry Camper lightweight, which means it's easy to drive and park, even in tight spaces. For anyone considering a camper van, the 2025 Suzuki Carry Camper van is a fantastic choice. It combines the essentials you need for comfortable travel with the compact, budget-friendly design Suzuki is known for. Whether it's for a weekend getaway or a long road trip, this camper is ready to take you wherever you want to go. Thanks for joining us on Automatrix. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Suzuki Carry Camper van, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the latest in automotive innovation. Hit the like button if you're as excited as we are about this compact camper revolution. See you in the next one.